Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to marquee select a layer in Photoshop. Okay. Step 1. Now click the move tool and select layer and marquee select. Click the rectangle marquee tool. Then you select rectangle marquee tool area. Now see this double select area or single select area. Okay, I use single select area, full select or select custom select. Then again click move tool and see this. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.